Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, today we going to learn the first lesson that is called as integers. So in the last year classes we learned the integers chapter, correct? In the 6th standard we have learned the basic components of integers, correct? This year also we want to learn the integers, the further concepts. See students, the first one in the 4th, 5th and 6th standard we learned the number systems, that is natural number, whole number, even number, odd number, prime number, composite numbers. These are learned in the 6th standard and also 5th standard. So we can recall once again the natural numbers. What do you mean about the natural number? So natural number means the counting numbers are called as natural numbers. For the letter represented the letter n, the natural number can be represented the letter n. So the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So up to infinity. This is called as what? Natural numbers. And then whole numbers. Whole numbers, sisters, whole number can be represented the letter W. Clear? So what does it mean about whole number? So counting numbers along with 0. Counting numbers along with 0, that is called as whole number. See, every natural numbers are a whole number, but every whole number are not a natural number because 0 it having only the whole number sets, but 0 it does not having a natural number set. Therefore, natural number, all natural number are whole number, but every whole number are not a natural number. See, next one, integers. I will come to the integers. In that natural number, there are so many types of number are there. Even number means the number is end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, correct? And the odd number means the number is end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So that is called as even and odd number. And prime numbers means it having only the two factors, that is called as prime number. That means a number is divisible by 1 and itself, that is called as prime numbers. Composite numbers means a number having a more than two factors, that is called as composite number. Got it? So we should come to the integers. So integers means the integers can be represented the letter I or Z. Okay. So this number, what is the integers? See, integers means a set containing positive numbers and negative numbers. Positive numbers, a set containing positive numbers and the negative numbers along with 0. So that is called as integers. Positive numbers means a number having a plus sign, that is called as positive numbers. Negative numbers means a number having a minus sign, so that is called as negative numbers. 0 is not neither be positive nor be negative. Positive wala, negative wala. So in set containing positive numbers and the negative numbers along with 0, so that is called as integers. So every natural number is also a integers, every whole number is also a integers. Understand? So that is called as integers. See, in that 0 is neither be positive number nor be negative number. In that, so smallest positive integers is smallest positive integers, smallest positive integers. What is the smallest positive integer? Correct, plus 1. So this is the plus 1 is the smallest positive integers. So biggest positive integers, can you find out the biggest positive integers? No, it cannot possible because it cannot determinable. Understand? Infinity. It can infinity. It is endless. Therefore, biggest or biggest positive integers is infinity. Infinity symbol like this. Okay. So next, smallest negative integers. Smallest negative integers. Can you find out the smallest negative integers? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. So which is the smallest negative integers? So minus 1 and minus 2 should compare it. So what are the smallest integers among these two? Minus 2 or minus 1? So minus 2 is the smallest and minus 2 minus 3 should compare it. Minus 3 is the smallest. Minus 3 minus 4 should compare it. Minus 4 is the smallest. So when the negativities increases, the values become decreases. Negativities increases, value become decreases. So negativity minus 3 is then minus 4, minus 5, so on. So the smallest negative integers is infinity. So greatest negative integer is or biggest negative integers. Yes, what is that? Minus 1 is the biggest negative integers. So minus 1, minus 2 should compare it. Minus 1 is a greater than minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Minus 3 is greater than minus 4 and so on. Okay. Therefore, the smallest positive integer is plus 1. Biggest positive integer is infinity. Smallest negative integer is infinity. Biggest negative integer is minus 1. Got it? So next one. So 0 is neither positive one nor negative. You know that already. So next one. Comparison of integers. Okay, students. Comparison means which is smaller and which is greater. Okay. See, I will take one example. 5 and 9. 5 and 9. So this is plus 5 and this is plus 9. So it having both are positive integers, same sign. So if the positive integers, if you can easily we have to find out the which is smaller and which is greater. So plus 9 is greater than plus 5. Got it? Because of positive integers we can easily have to find out. So next, plus 8 and minus 8 and plus 9 we should take. Minus 8 and plus 9. So one positive and one negative is there. So positive is greater than negative integers. Every positive integers is greater than the every negative integers. So if the minus and plus the different sign, we can easily, this is also we can easily have to find out the which is smaller and which is greater. Therefore plus 9 is greater than the minus 8. So both are negative. Minus 7 and minus 10. Minus 7 and minus 10. So both are negative. So now I told that highest negativity, the values become decreases. Highest negativity, smallest value. Smaller negativity, highest value. Correct? In that, smallest negativity is minus 7. Smallest negativity. So this is the smallest negativity means higher value. Therefore, minus 7 is greater than minus 10. If you don't know means you have to do one thing. First, you have to remove the sign. Negative sign should remove it. So what is that? 7 and 10 is become. So which is greater? Yes, easily we have to find out 10 is greater. After put the sign. Okay, after put negative sign on both sides. The sign it become reversed. So is greater, this is smaller and this is greater than symbol. Okay, that's why when the two negative integers are given means you have to do one thing. So remove the negative integers. First positive integers which is greater and which is smaller we have to find out. So first we have to put the sign. After we have to put the negative on both sides. That symbol it become reverse. Got it? Like that. Another example. Minus 8 and minus 3. Minus 8 and minus 3 is there. So minus 8 and minus 3 you should remove it first. Okay. 8 and 3, so this is a greater. 8 is greater. If I put minus, so the symbol is become ulta. Correct? Very easy. Minus 8 is smaller than minus 3. Understand? So like this you have to compare it. So next, I will take another example. See, minus 8, 9, minus 3, plus 8, plus 7 and minus 5 is there. So this is one of the sequence or integers. So there are so many integers are there. So in that, so write the ascending or descending order. Correct? So first I will write ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest, correct? So in these integers, which is the smallest integers? Smallest integers means, so negative numbers is the smallest than the positive integers, correct? First you should consider the negative integer, -9, -3 and -5 is there. So smallest if you want means biggest negativity. Biggest negativity is -9. Therefore -9 is the smallest. Then -5. Then -3. Then +7. Then +8. So this is the ascending order. So next, second I take an example. -4, -7, -2, -9, -6 and -10. Something is there. See, in this all are negative integers. So when given the negative integers, be careful. So because the highest negativity is a smallest value, smallest negative is a highest value, correct? In that highest negativity, what is the highest negativity in this? So -10 is the highest negativity, therefore this is the smallest value. Therefore if you write the ascending order, smaller we have to write the first out. So -10 is the smaller, and then -10 after -10 after -9, -9 after -7, -7 after -6, -6 after -4 and -4 after -2. So this is the ascending order. Got it? So plus and minus, if you are giving means first you have to consider the negative integers after going to the positive integers. But when they are given the negative integers, be careful. So which is the greatest negative value, that is the smallest value. So here -10 is the greatest negativity. So therefore the -10 is the smallest value. That's why I will write the first -10 after the -9, -7, -6, -4 and -2. Understand? So like this we should comparison of integers. Okay. Next. See, I will show one of the example. -9, -5, +8, +7, -6 and -4 in that. So you should write the descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. So which is the bigger? If you want to descending order, if I write the descending order, you have to go to the first positive integers, because positive is bigger. So in that positive integers, both two are there. So which is the greatest? +8 is the greatest and +7 is the greatest after, and then remaining +7 after -4. You should write -4 is greater. After -5 is the smallest, and -5 and -6 and -9. This is -9 is the very smallest integers among these integers. Understand? So +8 is the greater. Next +7 is smaller. Next -4 is smaller. -5 is smaller. -6 is smaller. -9 is smaller. Understand? So like this you have to write the descending order. Got it? So next. So like this you have to do the comparison of the integers. Next, rule of addition and subtraction is very important. Rule of addition and subtraction. See students, I will give some example. +5 and +7 is there. Next, I will take the second one example. -7 and -5 and -7 is there. And third example. 5 + 5 and -7. So three examples I will give. Okay. See students. First of all, +5 and +7 is there. So a number, if I having a positive integers, a positive sign, and 7 is also a positive sign. Got it? 5 positive and 7 is also positive. Therefore, these two numbers having a same sign. Correct? Same sign is there. In that second example, here also 5 having a negative sign, 7 is also a negative sign. Therefore, these two numbers having a same sign. Here also same sign and here also same sign. But in this third example, one is a bigger and positive sign, and second one is a negative sign. 5 having a positive sign, second one is negative sign. 5 having positive, 7 is negative. I will take the fourth one example. Minus 5 and plus 7. Okay. 5 having a negative sign, 7 having a positive sign. So let us come here. So plus 5 and plus 7 is there. Here both signs are same. What will you do? So both are plus sign. So we can do the addition. Easily we have to addition. 7 plus 5, how much? It become 12. So therefore the both signs are positive. Therefore plus you have to put. Plus 12 is become. The sum is plus 5 and plus 7. Sum is plus 12. Come to the second one example. Here minus 5 and minus 7 is there. The result is minus 12. Okay. Here plus 5 is there, minus 7 is there. What will you do? See students, in that first example the signs are positive, both signs are same sign, therefore we will do the addition. Here also negative sign is there, but negative minus means you have to do subtraction also? No, not like that. Subtraction, when you are doing the addition and subtraction, see same sign is there, so we should addition. Minus 12, minus, why you are putting a minus? So here both are negative, minus 5 and minus 7, so minus 12. Got it? So next, plus 5 is there, minus 7 is there. In that, so both are different sign. So when the different sign, we have to do the subtraction. 7 minus 5, how much? It become 2. So after the subtraction, bigger number sign we can put in the answer, correct? So which is the greatest number here, 5 or 7? 7 is a greater. 7 having a which sign is there? Minus sign. So we can put the minus sign in the resulting number. So therefore the result number is minus 2. Plus 5 and minus 7 is minus 2. Got it? So come to this example. Fourth example. Here also both are different sign. So when they are different sign, we can do the subtraction. So minus 5 and plus 7. 7 minus 5 it become 2. So after the subtraction, we can put the bigger number sign. Correct? So which is the bigger number here? 7. 7 having which sign is the positive sign. Therefore plus 2. Understand? So very simple rule. So two rules are there. So first one rule, when signs are same, we can do addition. Means plus or plus, both are plus plus or both are minus minus, we can do addition. Got it? So second one, when signs are different, we can do subtraction. Correct? Yes. After the subtraction, what? After the subtraction, we can put bigger number sign in the resulting number. Bigger number sign we can put in the answer. We can put in the resulting number. Understand, students? So when we are doing the addition and when we are doing subtraction, very easy. First we have to decide the, so is it a smaller same sign or different sign? So in this example, same sign we can do the addition. After the addition, same sign we can put in the resulting number. Correct? So minus 5 and minus 7 is there. So here both are same sign, therefore we can do the addition. 5 plus 7, 12. After the addition, so same sign, what is the sign is there in the question, so therefore we can put in the resulting number also same sign, minus 12. If you are plus means we have to put plus. Okay. Next, after the different sign, so we can do the subtraction. After the subtraction, we can put the bigger number sign, we can put in the resulting number. Okay. Here minus 7 is the bigger, so 7 having a negative, so minus 2 is the resulting number. Here plus 7 is there, 7 is the bigger having a positive sign, so plus 2 is the resulting number. Got it, students? So like this we have to do the addition and subtraction. Okay. So shall we do some more examples, we have to learn it. See, simplify. First, minus 5 plus 8 minus 2 and plus 7 is there. Okay. First we have to write the positive sign one side and negative sign another side. Okay. First do one thing. So first positive sign I will write plus 8 and plus 7 is the first step. Plus 8 and plus 7 I will write the one side of the positive numbers and one side of the negative numbers. Next minus 5 and minus 2. Okay. Next. So I told same sign we can do the addition, different sign we can do the subtraction. First plus 8 plus 7 we have to consider these two numbers. So 8 having a positive, 7 is also having a positive. Therefore the two signs are same, therefore we can do the addition. 8 plus 7 how much? 15. That becomes plus 15. Got it? Next minus 5 is there, minus 2 is there. Okay. So minus 5 and minus 2 it having the same sign. So what is the sign? Minus. Therefore when the same sign we can do what? Addition. Correct. So 5 plus 2 we should write first to add. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. Okay. After the addition, so which is the sign here? So minus is there, we can put the minus. Here plus is there, so I will put the plus. Next step. So 15 having a positive sign, 7 having a negative sign. After the sign, see students, plus 15 and minus 7. So in these, here the two signs are different. When the signs are different, we can do what? Subtraction. Correct. So here 15 and 7. 15 minus 7. How much? 15 minus of 7 is 8. Okay. 15 minus of 7 is 8. So after the subtraction, bigger number sign we can put in the resulting number. Correct. So 15 and 7. Which is the bigger number here? 15. 15 having a which sign is the plus. So we can put the plus sign in the resulting number. Therefore the resulting is plus 8. The answer is plus 8. Got it? So I will take another example. Minus 5 plus 8 plus minus 3 and minus 9 is there. So I will write first what? Correct. Positive integers one side you should write. Plus 8 I will write first. After that minus 5. After minus 3. After minus 9. So next here only 8 having only positive integers only 1 is there, but negative integers 3 is there. So see students, plus 8 as it is I write down. See the all are same sign, minus 5, minus 3, minus 9. So with the same sign what we will do? Correct, addition. You have to add it. 5 plus 3 plus 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus of 9, 17. Correct? 17. After the addition, which sign is there here? Minus. So we can put the minus sign. Got it? Next, plus 8 and minus 17 is there. So in that, so different sign is there. So when the different sign, we should do that. Correct. Subtraction. 17 minus of 8. Or 8 minus 17. 8 minus 17. So how much? 17 minus of 8 is 9. Okay. So 9. So after the subtraction, which is a bigger number, 17 is a bigger number. Which is 17 having a which sign? Negative sign. So we can put the minus 9 in the resulting number. Are you understand, students? So very simple. You have to be careful in the sign. Is it having a same sign or different sign? If it having a same sign, we can do the addition. If it having a different sign, so we should do that subtraction. After the subtraction, we can put in the bigger number sign. After the addition, we can put the same sign. Got it? So like this. So addition and subtraction you have to doing. Okay. So in your hope, you have to take the any one of the both more than 5 example you have to put in your own problems and do and practice in your home. Okay, students. Thank you.